What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Etta Jean, and we're going to do this quick and easy hairstyle. Stay tuned. If you haven't done so already, stop by and check out my tutorial on coloring your locks. And this is just my after. I'm just showing you guys better because I didn't get a chance to show you in the tutorial how the color really came out. And I retwisted my hair now, so I have a fresh head, and we're going to get ready for my husband's video shoot. Please forgive me for my camera angles, y'all. I didn't realize, you know how you be doing your hair and then you realize, oh, I'm recording this for the world, so y'all really can't see what I'm doing. But I'm gonna try to explain this to you the best way that I can. You want to grab the front portion of your hair, I would say like from temple to temple, or you can go back from the top of your ear. That would be fine too. It's up to you. But what I'm doing, I start on one side and I grab two locks and bring them to the center. Then I grab two locks from the opposite side and cross them over each other, and then kind of tuck it under. And you keep doing that pattern until you reach, like I said, from your temple or from like the top of your ears. It's up to you. Okay, now once you reached, see, this is how it looks. It should look like this. Okay, now once you reach like a stopping point or wherever you decide you want the braid to end, you're going to take your last two locks and you're going to twist it around and continue twisting it around until you reach the end of the lock. And then you're going to tuck those pieces into each other and pull it so you're creating a knot. And this is if you don't want to use rubber bands. If you want to use rubber bands, once you reach a stopping point, you can do that. But I try not to use rubber bands in my hair because I know it's a lot of breakage and damage that happens when you use rubber bands and stuff. So I try to just use my hair to make ponytails and stuff like that. You can stop here. This is a style here, or we can continue with the barrel twist in the back. And what I'm doing, I'm just dividing my hair in half the best way you can, and just run your fingers through that thing and separate it down the middle. And then I grab the top ponytail we just made, divide that in half as well. And so you're just gonna grab 2 or 3 locks or however many locks you want, and you just wrap the hair around the ponytail. Just go around and around and around till you get to the end of the locks. And then you grab some more and wrap those around, and you just repeat the process over and over again until you get to the end of your hair. And then at the end, you repeat the same process you did to create your first ponytail at the top. And you're going to take one of your longest locks and tie it around the end of the ponytail and tuck it in and pull and make a small knot. I guess it's like a slip knot. I think that's what it's called. But you're just creating something to keep your hair together. Or, like I said, you could use a rubber band. You could still do that too. I'm gonna praise his name all day and every day. I'm gonna praise his name all day. I didn't like the way that I went over with the locks. I took the locks over the top of the ponytail this time, but I didn't like how it looked, so I took it back down. And I twisted, I went underneath with those same locks. And sometimes that looks better So in this case, it looked better to me that the locks went underneath the ponytail as opposed to going on top of the ponytail. Once you get to the end and you've secured this side, you're going to repeat the same process on the opposite side until you have two ponytails. Once you have both sides secured, you're going to take one ponytail and secure it up to the opposite ponytail. So you're forming a U shape in the back. And you're going to secure these two sides together with either bobby pins, you can use thread, or you can also keep a couple locks out in the back and kind of use your hair as a thread to hold everything together. It might take you a couple of tries to get it, but don't give up, okay? Once you're satisfied, this will be your final product. If it has to take you 2 or 3 times, you can always rewind the video and watch it over again and kind of listen to what was said. But I hope you had fun. Thank you for stopping by.